Black Fisher's new spot. I'm always trying to explore. So we're just gonna, as you know, we're here in the creek. Gonna use this little 12-pound braid right here with a weedless hog and a brown jig, or excuse me, a brown grub. Seems to be some little deep holes around here. See what we can find. Spots like this are when your flipping comes into play. So your flipping game better be on point. Otherwise you're gonna be kissing trees all day. Kissing trees aren't fun. Tree hugging and fishing don't match. Black Fisher here with your Black Fisher Tip. Today I would like to discuss flipping into tight coverage while wading out in the creeks or rivers. So as you can see here, I have a table. This is representation of the height of the water. It could be lower, same height, or even higher. Give you a little example here with this 6-foot rod. So basically what I like to do is, unlike when you're in a boat or something like that, you're going to be up higher above the water, okay? So that way you'd be able to point down and flip up. But when the water is a lot higher, what you want to do is you want to extend your arm like so, and I point my finger towards my target. All right, then I bend my rod tip and I fling it to my target and stop the lure by tapping the line. Let me give you an example. Point towards my target, bend my rod tip, and I fling it towards my target. And I stop it, tapping the line. Oh, again. Arm extended, pointing towards my target, bend the rod tip, fling it, stop the line. And that is your Black Fisher Tip. Bit of a dip. All right, time to get back to the flip game. There he is. Yeah, it's a little dink, but I'm telling you, you just never know. Well, he's not bad for this area. Not bad. Calm down, little one. I'll tell you what, it is so much fun catching fish. Oh, hold on. Hold up. All right. I tell you, it's so much fun catching fish in these little creeks. Get to practice your pitch game. They be hiding in little spots that are no wider than a doorway. It's fun, y'all. I love it. I don't always have to catch them big ones. There's a lot of times I just like to come out here and just read the water and read my surroundings and see if I can catch something. Get off of there. So what's going on is so this portion right here is no bigger. It's a little bit bigger than a doorway. All right. So you got the grass on either side, and it kind of hangs over the water here, because the bank is about here. But the perch, they're hiding in these grassy little areas right here. So all we're trying to do is just get them to come out and play with us, y'all. That's all we want. We just want them to come out and play. Come out of your little ambush spot and play. There he is. About the same size as the other one. Not bad though. I'll take him. The mosquito decided to take me. And another one. Right there. That's the good thing. There he is. That's a decent one, y'all. Come on, guys, Smiley. Okay, fine. That one's decent. Not bad, y'all, for fishing a little creek. That one right there, that's a keeper. Mm-hmm. All right, this is fun, y'all. That was a decent little perch. It's the kind of reward you get when the pitch game is on point. You gotta be patient. Oh, like I said, rewards of the pitch game. That one's about the same size. That would be another keeper. Ooh, got him in the corner of the mouth too. Perfect. Not bad, y'all. That's how we do it. There he is. That's a dink though. They stacked up in here. He's been bit. Look at that. Something took a chunk out of him. Ooh, buddy, he got that right up the nose. Let go. All right, good luck to you. All right, y'all. I think I'm gonna call it a day. I got a little bit of water in my wading suit. Starting to get a little cold. So if you liked what you saw, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. While you're at that, go ahead and hit that little bell so it can let you know when I have a new episode out, which I have a new episode every Friday. And then go ahead and hit that little like button. It's all free. Don't cost you anything. You know, it's a little bit of your time. Me and you, baby. Me and you. Have a good one.